Hello everyone, please join us our special day trip to Lake Louise, Mirror Lake, and the Big Beehive, and Lake Agnes Tea House. We start our tour early in the morning, maybe around 7 o'clock, just to avoid being crowded by the many visitors. We are so excited and thrilled to see the Lake Louise. It's really an impressively beautiful. Hello guys, we are so lucky and thrilled because only few people are here. That's why we can have a moment to see the stunning views of Lake Louise. Ang ganda talaga guys. Na-enjoy talaga ng pamilya ko ang views ng Lake Louise because it's really beautiful. Hello guys, this is the famous Lake Louise. It's a pricey and a 5-star hotel. Kung marami kang pera, you can stay there. Have you noticed guys, the color of the water of Lake Louise, it's a mix between blue and green. That is a turquoise water color. Diba ang ganda guys? Quick photos muna. Mag-hiking muna kami guys. We are going to Mirror Lake, the Big Beehive, and Lake Agnes Tea House. It takes about 2 hours to get there, but we try our best. It's a really good experience for us and challenging. Let's go guys. Join us. Our first stop is Mirror Lake and the Big Beehive, and next Lake Agnes Tea House. This is it. The hiking is challenging and tiring, but we just grab the moment. This is once in a lifetime. Just go. Finally, we are here on our first destinations. The Mirror Lake and the Big Beehive. I'm so tired, but it's okay. At least we are here now to see the Mirror Lake. Take a break muna kasi nakakapagod din. Mirror Lake is just a small lake. No wind. The surface of the water acts like a mirror reflecting the surrounding mountains. That's why people love to come and visit this place. It's really amazing. Maraming tao dito nagpi-pictures because of the beauty of the scenery of the Mirror Lake. Look at guys, Mirror Lake in spectacular scenery under the rock face of the Big Beehive. We are tired, but we are grateful too because the place is worth it. Mirror Lake is really beautiful. The reflection of the trees and mountains give a mirror image. We are now preparing for our next destination, the Lake Agnes Tea House. Picture muna kami guys. It takes 1 hour to get to Lake Agnes Tea House. Ang ganda talaga ng views guys. Summer na summer. Nakakapagod talaga. Pero sige lang. Go, mommy, go! We almost here. Don't worry. This is it. This is the place. Oh wow, what a lovely waterfall. Ang ganda guys. Gusto ko talaga maligo dito guys, pero ang problema, ang tubig ay masyadong malamig. Hanggang tingin-tingin lang tayo. We have to use these stairs pala going to Lake Agnes Tea House. This is a 57 stairs. Go na lang, go! Finally guys, we are here. Palagi talaga akong nasa huli kasi ako talaga nagbibideo eh. Wala tayong magawa. Please subscribe lang guys on Alex Vlogs and share. Salamat po. Oh wow, it's really amazing place. It's a stunning natural landscape.
19. You got so many here.
Pang Instagrammable pala tong place. Ang ganda guys. It's worth it to visit this place. This is one of a lifetime great experience visit for us guys. This is the Lake Agnes Tea House. Ito palang Lake Agnes Tea House was originally built in 1901 by the Canadian Pacific Railway as a refuge for hikers and started serving tea. Meaning guys, no coffee at all.